Hello everybody, today we make penne with vodka sauce. And to do with this sauce I got a couple of pieces of garlic, but only I fry it, but I take it out because I don't want nobody to taste this garlic. I got the bacon, I chop already the bacon. I gotta use a little oil, mix with the butter. I gotta saute the bacon. I got a Parmigiano cheese. And I got the heavy cream, and I got my tomato sauce to use. And I got the vodka over here. I was put on this one, it's like a quarter cups the vodka. And the penne. I got a penne right over here, it's 1 pound I gotta make. Now to start, we start with the bacon, and garlic. I put the garlic back. Like I say, I want to take it out after. And I saute together with the bacon. And I'll use a little oil, not too much oil. And the butter. And let's put it right on the stove. Okay, we put the gas on. And let's do like this. Okay, this is the bacon you gotta make. I gotta make a little, it's like crispy. Before I start to put the vodka and the sauce. I want to make this nice color. I don't want it gotta be mush. I want to be nice crispy. That's why you gotta make sure God turn all the time. Okay, now we put the vodka over here. I want to stay away, maybe the flame. I was low the flame. I don't want something to burn everything over here. Oh, look at this, beautiful. Now we put the heavy cream. Okay. We leave it. Do this a little bit like this. And now I use my tomato sauce. Okay, now we put the tomato. I think it's enough. So good. Tastes good the sauce. When you make the sauce by yourself with a nice plum tomato, everything is different. Okay, look nice, huh? Nice color. Okay, you don't gotta be really red. You gotta stay like this, you know. Okay, let's put the pasta. I put salt already in the water. And the pasta you gotta cook al dente for 11 minutes. I was moving the sauce, this it's a big flame over here, I don't want to boil it too much. Okay, let's drain the pasta. Okay, I want to put on this spots over here. No, maybe it fits over here. Yeah, we put it right over here. Good. We give a nice mix. Yeah. Okay. Oh, really good. Now we put a little cheese on the top. Oh, it looks really nice. Little parsley. little extra cheese. Okay, let me see. It's really good. As you like, you have like, oh yeah, baby, at the pepper. But I don't was put over here at the pepper. Cause the bacon, you got a good taste, but it's really good. I hope everybody liked the way I did it. It's really good, the penne vodka sauce. I hope next time we make something different, everybody can look live, like we did it today too. And I want to say thank you very much to everybody for this dish. It's really good. Thank you, and I'll see you next recipe. Thank you. Bye.